One of our family friends gave us feedback that the physical exercises shown in our video is not for everyone, as not everyone is capable of doing these. As you already know, physical and mental health is not just karate or martial arts, but it can also be hiking, walking, or just enjoying the beauty of nature. To show our appreciation for natural beauty, we chose a very special place for our video, and it is Niagara Falls. We're driving to Niagara Falls, and on the way we saw some beautiful fall colors. In October, the leaves change colors to orange, red, and yellow. Look how pretty the colors are. And the beautiful sky and the trees makes a beautiful view. There's a beautiful cloudy sky and the trees are here and beautiful fields. Look at these colors, they're so pretty. Wow, look at that.
In 150 meters, slight right onto Niagara Parkway. Slight right onto Niagara Parkway.
We will walk and enjoy this wonder of the world. It is very noisy here. All the water falling is making it very noisy here. As you can see in the background, that is the American Falls. I don't know if you can see in the video or not, but there's people from America standing there, and that's the state of New York. Now we are walking toward the Horseshoe Falls, which is the main part of the falls. As you can see, the water is falling and the mist is going into the clouds. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Horseshoe Falls more clearly and the mist going into the air. I don't know if you can see, but there are lots of birds flying down and it is really pretty. With the water going through and all, with the water moving. Let's keep walking toward the Horseshoe Falls and then we will see the Niagara River coming.
Now we're like vegetarian burger or something.
It's like a steak, it's like kind of steak.
The mist is hitting our faces and it seems like it's raining, but it's the mist from the falls. Let's keep walking. We're getting very close to the Niagara River. Let's keep walking. Now we're really close to Horseshoe Falls. This was only the falls, but Niagara Falls also has many other attractions. There's a market, there's the dinosaur park, and the Ferris wheel. Now we're going to walk and check out all those.